Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda CTX1300 DLX. This V-4 1300 Sport Tourer just arrived with only 3,599 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got the Mad Stat adjustable windscreen, ABS brakes. It's got the rider backrest and detachable locking side cases. This bike is in beautiful condition. Come on by. Make your sport touring dreams come true with this gorgeous CTX 1300. It's a shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Only $89.99. That's a lot of motorcycle for the money. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.